Today we are going to learn the calculation of contribution under marginal costing. Okay, so we have a question related to that. Look at the question. Find out the contribution and profit from the following details. Okay, so basically marginal costing will include so many equations which will help you to find out the value of contribution, profit, BP, fixed cost, all those things. Okay, so today we are going to learn the equation of contribution and what all details they have given here. Sales, variable cost and fixed cost are also given. So I can show you the equation of contribution. We can apply three types of equation for calculating the contribution. These are the equations. Contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. Then second equation is contribution is equal to fixed cost plus profit. Now other one is when we have loss, we can also apply this equation. Contribution is equal to fixed cost minus loss. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy down the things what is given in the question. So they have given sales. Okay, how much is the sales given? 12,000. I'll just copy down the values over here. Then variable cost also given. Variable cost is equal to 7,000. Okay, 7,000, and fixed cost is also given. Fixed cost is given as 4,000. All right, so this is 4,000. So now we are going to see which equation we can apply for the calculation of contribution. Okay, because your question is like, I can share you the question. It's asking you to find out the contribution first, then you have to find out the profit. So I'm going to find out the contribution first. Okay, so three equations I know, but I'm going to check which equation I can apply. So look at this. If I take the first equation, I need sales figure and variable cost figure. So here you see sales and variable costs are available. So I'm going to pick the first equation for the calculation of my marginal cost because all these information available in the question. Okay, so I'm going to write the equation which I'm going to apply in this condition. Contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. So we're going to apply the figures here. Contribution is equal to sales is how much? Look at this. 12,000 is your sales value. So I'll put the sales value minus variable cost is 7,000. So I'm going to write the value over here, 7,000. So what will be your contribution? Contribution is coming as rupees 5,000. Okay, so we got contribution here. Now, what is the second half of your question asking? Calculate profit. You are also supposed to calculate profit. So look at this equation, students. Like if we check the contribution equations, here itself you could find out the word profit. In which equation you could find the word profit? Look at the second equation which contains the term profit. So I'm going to pick the second equation for the calculation of profit. Alright, so I will just copy down that equation. Now I will tell you which all items are available in the question. See, just see this first item is contribution. Okay, contribution just now we have calculated. How much we calculated? 5,000. Okay, so I know that figure. Then this fixed cost, this is already available in the question. Look at the fixed cost, how much is available in the question? 4,000 is given in the question. So if I apply this equation, I can easily find out the value of profit. Okay, so how do I find the value of profit in this equation? Profit I will keep this side and this fixed cost I will take into the other side. So plus fixed cost will become minus fixed cost. Okay, so I'm going to reframe the equation, that is profit is equal to contribution minus fixed cost. Just apply the figures, you will be getting the profit over here. Okay, so I'm going to write profit is equal to, what is the contribution you calculated? 5,000. Okay, so write 5,000 over here minus what is the fixed cost? Look at this, 4,000 is the fixed cost. So we are going to write the fixed cost amount here so that you will be getting your profit as rupees 1,000. Okay, so by using one equation, you can find out different figures in this chapter. Okay,